Hello everyone, this is Tanvir from Illustrator Tips and Tricks. This tutorial today I am going to show how do I apply brush effect on text in Adobe Illustrator. So I am using a font Brush Mono Comfortable Regular. This font name is Brush Mono Comfortable Regular. So this is the font name. I am searching the font regular. If you are using a default font, you can type it and find out the checkbox, or if you are not, you can download from any site the font. So I am typing here LIKB, this one I'm typing, and it's need to more than bigger like that. So I am using a round rectangle shape and draw it. This is, and it's a size. It's need to be any type of shape you can here. So duplicate here, okay, and this all keyboard E, and it's need to be okay. Delete it, E, and small the shape, place it, and keyboard E, perfect. And it's hiding, Control 3. This font I have to expand this font, and I need size. Control Alt 3 or keyboard show all. So it's yes, and all select, go to Pathfinder and minus font, all alter click to create compound shape, this one. So it will show look like that. I have to create a circle using Illustrator, and it's need to be bigger like that shape. You can resize it and match the circle like that, and you can duplicate here, look like that, duplicate and duplicate, delete, duplicate here, alter, press the alter and drag the circle, you will get duplicate layer. This one look like that. Yes. Delete it. check out. So this one, and all select, shift the click here, and it's one kind of all in layer. So, and I have to use a gradient. So I can use it from default gradient tools, gradient, orange and yellow mixing. So I am clicking here like that. It's a default. You can combination the color from any source. So I'm using the default system. So this one, and now I am finding a brush effect. So brush library, go to window and brush library. You can use it vector packs and granule brush vector pack, and this one is the box, and you can use it. I am using the brush effect. So at this line, so the 7, okay, it's perfect, and its color it would be white, and this one I think it's need to 5. It's perfect. Okay, so stroke line, I have to expand this stroke line. Okay, this one, and I have to put it and create a background, and right button, send to back, and color opacity 23, it's perfect. And I'm typing the font BRUS brush picture, and Garamond. I'm using the font Garamond. Garamond bold, regular, perfect. And now I am going to brush. So drag the brush effect and drag it to outside here, and it's spanned. Select the gradient, ungroup, and this is I am deleting here, and this one I will get it. So drag here. So I think you understand what I am showing. So please, if you are new at my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I am continue uploading video. So see you next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Tata.